Good morning everybody, we are working on the boat today. On the boat, on some project. That was a nice osprey coming to visit the messenger. And today, Marjolein, what is your plan?
I am about to start with this woodwork because it's varnished, but the varnish is coming off. I'm not sure yet if we will oil it or that we put varnish on it again, but at least this needs to go. So
Is it teak?
I don't know, but we did it with almost all the woodwork on the boat already. Like there was varnish everywhere, here and here, and we like to oil it. So this is the last bit, I think.
My project of today is the foil. For the people who don't know what a foil is, a kite foil, I will show a little movie that shows what it is. So that's what I'm making today. Last time Kamel helped me to get this profile in the mast. And today I want to make the fuselage onto the mast. So I will make screw thread in the mast. And the other part is this thing, it's the wing. And this needs some fiberglass and some epoxy as well. This will eventually look like this. Whoop. Fuselage and the wing. That's the idea.
It's going quick.
It's going very fast.
That's good.
Fill this with this foam so that if I put epoxy in here it doesn't go all the way down, but I can nicely fill it up. How are you going?
Yeah, quite good. I finished this one. I think this maybe isn't teak.
No?
I'm not sure, but maybe it isn't. Then we need to varnish it.
I'm not sure either.
But the oil and the varnish is under Hermen's workspace, so I will do that maybe tomorrow, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And now you're going to work in the mess I made.
Yeah, that's yeah, that's something when we are doing jobs on the boat. We have to adapt to each other a little bit, because I find it hard to work in a mess like that, but Hermen finds it hard to tidy up while he's still working, so we try to give each other a bit space in it.
Yes, I made a little workspace for her to work on the computer. And I'm going to do the epoxy work. What do you think?
It's much better now.
Yes, it is. And about the project, I'm not sure if it worked out. In the end, the epoxy was hardening very, very fast. So we'll see. Monday I'll let you know. For now, everyone have a good weekend. We'll take our rest as well. And thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace out.